Welcome to my YouTube channel and please subscribe my YouTube channel. So, insurance. Insurance is a mean of protection from financial loss in which, in exchange for a fee, a party agrees to compensate another party in the event of a certain loss, damage, or injury. It is a form of risk management primarily used to hedge against the risk of a contingent on loss. An entity which provides insurance in now as a insurance company, insurance care or underwrite. A person or entity who buys insurance is now as a policyholder. Will a person or entity covered under the will under the policy is called an insured. The insurance translation involves the policyholder informing are generated now and relative small losses in the form of a payment to the insurance, a premium in exchange for the insurance promises to compensate the insured in the event of a covered loss. The loss may or may not be financial, but it must be reducible to financial terms. Furthermore, it usually involves something in which the insured has an insurable interest by ownership, permissions, or per accepting relationship. The insured receives a contract called the insurance policy, which deals the conditions and conditions under which the insurance will compensation the insured or their designated or accession. The amount of money changed by the insured to the policyholder from the coverage set forth in the insurance policy is called the premium. If the insured experience a loss which is protectively recovered by the insurance policy, the insured submits a claim to the insurance for processing by a claims adjusters, a mandatory out-of-product expense required by an insurance policy before a insurer will pay a claim is called a dedicatable, or if required by a health insurance policy, a complement. The insurer may hedge its own risk by taking out registrations whereby another insurance company agrees to carry some of the risk, especially if the premium insurer deems the risk too large for it to care. History. Methods for transferring or distributing risk were practiced by Babylonian, Chinese, and Indian traders as long ago as the 3rd and 2nd millennia BC. Representatively, Chinese merchants traveling Tacho's river rapids would deliveries across many wills to limit the loss due to any signal vessels passing. Property insurance. As we know, its today can be traced to the Great Fire of London, which in 1666 devastated more than 13,000 houses. The devastating efforts of the fire recovered the development of insurance from a matter of convenience into one of emergency. A change of option reflected in Sir Christopher Wren's closing of a side from the insurance office in his new plan for London in 1667. A number of attempted fire insurance schemers came to nothing, but in 1681 and 11 extracted the first insurance company, the insurance office for house at the back of Royal Exchange in insurance bike and farm homes. And immediately 5,000 homes were insured by the insurance office. At the same time, the first insurance schemers for the underwriting of business benefits became available. By the end of the 17th century. London growth as a center of trade will across due to the demand of mine's insurance. In the late 168, Civil edited related opening a coffee house which became the meeting place for parties in the shipping industry, wishes into insurance courages and ships, including those willing to underwriting such visual. These informal beginnings led to the insurance market and survey related shipping and insurance business.